We're headed to Scott, Mississippi, home of the original Delta and Pineland Company, one of the biggest cotton plantations in the Mississippi Delta at around 38,000 acres. It originated in 1886, was inactive. It started as a land company, was inactive until 1919 when it was bought by a British company who farmed it, one of the biggest plantations in the Mississippi Delta. In the latter half of the 20th century, they got out of the land business and started concentrating on seed development, cottonseed and soybeans. They were purchased by Monsanto in the 1990s, and then Monsanto was purchased by Bayer, a German company, just in the last few years. So Scott and Delta and Pineland have a lot of history. We're going to ride through there, and I'll film and take photos. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next video. On to Benoit, y'all. On to Benoit, Mississippi.